Good morning, guys. Good morning, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome back. Welcome back to my amazing space. Yeah, and thank you so much for always stopping by and saying hi and being part of my video. So today, guys, I just want to show you the progress that is going on. You see the trees that were full here, like they piled up here, it's all gone, by the way. It's all gone. Some are burning as charcoal, and we recruited our hand our person of hand from Nairobi. He came to help us clean. Yeah, and then the small ones, we are collecting them for we are collecting the little ones for to cook with them. Yeah, and our Nyaseme is here to collect some. Guys, she likes cooking with firewood more than gas or even charcoal. Allah, who does that? Who does that? Hiyo ni maisha ngumu. Badilika, change. Ukiwa na gas, pika na gas. Achana na mkuni. and also this is our progress. Yeah, our progress, and our security guy. This guy is feeling so good, by the way. He eats and sleep, and that's the progress of the charcoal. This is the second day. Yeah, so this one, it's quite huge, so I don't know how many days it will take, but yeah, so I'll keep on updating you how it goes. So in a few days, the whole place is gonna be clean again. Everything is going to go down. Yeah, so those ones are being collected. We will use them to cook. The leaves that are here, these ones also will use them to cook. The leaves that are here, big man is collecting these ones and then taking them on this side, and then these ones will be burnt down because these ones are just, they're waste now. We can't use them anymore. And we have other, the cows are grazing also. And yeah, so it is a very, very beautiful morning over here. And I want to go on the other side to show you the progress, how everything is going down. Yeah, so I think today our fundis are going back to Nairobi. They've done their work, so when I go down on that side, I'll get to show you the progress, and you'll get to see. By the way, guys, I've never showed, I think I did. Yeah, I did. I was Kumawikis, it's okay. So when we go down on the other side, I'll get to show you what's happening and everything. Guys, I told you that I'll bring you on this side and then show you the progress, the whole progress. So yeah, I think we are here, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, okay, there's a huge progress over here. So they've done the fencing also. Wow, the fencing is done. Yeah, so you can see they fenced it and added some. Mambo kopoa, mshamaliza sani kutuacha huku kwani geti kwa wapi? Sasa mtu anaingia na wapi?
Lazima tu upite huko.
Nizunguke tu sasa kwa this huko. So guys, they've even closed the part that I was thinking that was the gate. So you can see, guys, this land is so huge. It's super big. You can see over here. So yeah, and then they're closing everything, the doors. Let me just get close and then I'll show you. I get to show you. Yeah, so you can see they're covering the windows, the doors, because they're giving it a duration to water it for, I think, like a week, and that's when they can start doing the roofings and other things. So let's go and see. Okay, the progress is good. You can see, bro, this house is so huge, man. Let me just tell you, this house, it's super big. Oh, no, nice. I can see the gate, where the gate is. So you guys, you see how they placed these ones and everything, and everything over here, and that's how it looks like. The fence, ow, these things want to kill me. And the fence looks super nice. Yeah, let me take you and show. Mambo, and that's our foreman. Let me show you our foreman. Naweza pita? Aya, tapita aje? So they're pressing the gate over here. And then I'm going to have a stairs. I hope sitaanguka. Okay. Nimefika. This is our foreman. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, that's my baby brother. Yeah. And then I think today over here they're feasting. Our fundis are leaving. Mambo? Nana mshamaliza. They're cooking something for them. Oh, this? Mambo? Eh. Naona ndio mko huku. They're cooking for them. Our mama jikoni is here. Yeah, they're cooking some stew for appreciation. They want to appreciate them a little bit. Yeah. So they've cooked stew and everything. Yeah, just to appreciate our fundis with the big project that was going on. This was the store. Yeah, the barbed wire and everything. Yeah. And you see, so now this is gonna be the staircase. Bro, it looks so nice, by the way, with the fencing. It looks so nice, and they've covered everything. So this one is gonna be the main entrance. So guys, with our big project, yeah. So I'm super amazed with how fast this work has gone, because it was like in less than 3 weeks these guys had done this amazing job. You see, they've done up to the Linton area, and then now they're leaving today. So today my mom cooked them. My mom said that they're gonna eat before they leave. She's gonna cook, because they normally cook for themselves, but now they're gonna cook for them. Today we're gonna cook for them, just to tell them bye-bye. Thank you for your service, your amazing service. And guys, you can see they've done a good job, by the way. They've done a good job. Yeah, considering how huge this house is. Yeah, after the architecture came and showed them the drawing and drew everything on the ground, they picked it up. And guys, one thing amazing about these people is that, you see, these people, they worked, sometimes they would work from 7 a.m. until as late as 2 a.m. like 2 a.m. when they were doing the foundation. So this was an amazing job. Sanyi mnaenda leo? Mpike salama, kazi mzuri. Naona sasa kuna kai venye kulikuwa mkikuja. We, kazi mzuri sana. Asanteni sana. Kifika mfike salama. I hope tutaonana tena. Yeah. So guys, that's that. So you can just see the grand entrance. That is how it looks like, guys. Do you think this is such an amazing job? Usijali sija kuchukua. Yeah. So you see how huge it is and super cool. It's super amazing, guys. It's super duper amazing. Yeah. So after this, let me just walk around and see the progress, and then after this I'll show you one of our market here around here. When I'm going to pick some water, I'll get to show you. For now, let me just get to see it around and see. They still work over here, so the first group is leaving today, and then God willing the second group that is gonna do the roofing, they'll come after. Bro, I wish this house was mine now. I just wish this house was mine. But anyway. Pero kemana?
Bani yangu. Hebu funga kwa nini?
Asante.
Sasa.
Guys. So this is the local market that I was showing. This is the local market that I was telling you guys about. So we've come to buy some water. This is I think this is a wholesale kind of. Mambo? Kopoa? Nataka maji. Nataka dozen moja. So yeah, good. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna take 1 dozen. Moja ni ngapi?
400.
400.
Hey.
Sawa. Niweke tu hapo chini. Mkono? Okay, kidogo. So let's take a boda guy back home. I don't know. Kuna yote mwenye unamjua? Ule mzuri mwenye unamjua? Ananipeleka Mtumbo. Kimwona mwambia kuje huko. So guys, this market is called Kodiaga Market. Yeah, there's another section on that side. But yeah, I don't know. So let's just get to see everything. Guys, now we are heading back. Going back. So that is how it looks like. And this is the Busia Highway. Let me show you the Busia portals. Busia Highway portals. This is a highway leading to another country, but it looks like, I don't know, it looks so pathetic. Barabara inakaa mbaya sana. Wanafaa kuiexpand sasa. Look at the portals. You see those portals. Let me show you a bus that is going to Nairobi. One of the buses that is going to Nairobi. Climax Express. That one. Look at all these portals, bro. You see? And people are paying taxes. All of travelers that you see, they are going to Busia and passing Busia and going to the border. Look, just take a look at the roads, how bad we are. So embarrassing, by the way. So embarrassing. Take a look. It's late. We are officially on the Maram Express. Maram Express. So this is how it looks like in the evening. Everyone is headed back home. I'm gonna show you the center that we normally buy things. That is so close, super close to home. That's how it looks like, as the women selling them produce and everything. Take a look at that. See that one. Yeah, right. Oh, in the right, in confusing in the left. And we are officially back. Whoopsie. Officially back. Guys, we have a very pretty sunset down over there. Setting now. It's time to go back in the house and eat and sleep and enjoy and have fun. Yeah, so guys, I hope you had fun, you enjoyed the video. I also did. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Mefika ngapi? 71 iko sawa. Thank you so much guys for keeping me company, and thank you so much guys for always coming back into this channel, watching, commenting, sharing. Thank you so much for your support. We are almost 1,000 subscribers. So guys, gang, please, if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe, please. That's one way of supporting me. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, and thank you so much guys. Yeah, that was our hula baloo for today as we go home and sleep. I'll see you again another day. Peace out.